Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail and title of this video, we bought a BMW 335. Guys, I'm super excited for this, but there's a lot of problems with this car, and we got it for really cheap, so let's talk more about this. Okay, the first thing I have to mention about this car is I got it for an absolute steal. I bought this car for $1,200. With fees, I got it for $2,500. But it might not be such of a steal after you guys see the condition it's in. So one of these cars in good condition would probably be worth around like $8,000 with 120,000 miles. But this one, well, not exactly. So first thing we have here is some kind of collision on this side. So this took out this whole door here. You can see here we have damage. This mirror is out all the way to the back here where this is pinned. This is probably the best angle of the car. This angle, there's not much damage that I can see. Except here, the bumper has that. All right, let's go inside. Oh yeah, this door doesn't work. We have to go through the other door. The door cards are not put in. All right, inside here, it's pretty disgusting, I'm gonna be honest. First of all, it smells like cigarettes. There's a hole in the dash where there should have been some kind of Apple CarPlay system. And the worst part, back here, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's water. Really bad water buildup. So I don't know how well you guys can see that, but there's a pretty nasty puddle down there, and that used to be in the back seat. There's still probably a puddle back there, and that's pretty deep. And because of that, and this car been sitting for a long time, you can see here we have a pretty nasty mold buildup, even on the headrest. So overall, I was really excited to receive this car. Here are some clips from the day we got it delivered. And boys, there she is. So the extensive modifications for this car isn't crazy. We have dual cone intakes, we have a charge pipe, we have, I think I smelled downpipes, I don't know for sure though. And then we also have a muffler delete. So the car is actually really loud. In total for this car, I paid about $2,500. I paid $1,200 for the actual car to buy from the auction. And then I paid about $500 to get transported here and about $600 in auction fees. And that's how I got this car for $2,500. All right, I gotta go now. I'll see you guys in a few days where we're gonna try to start the car again. Smooth predator boarding the mothership of conquest, 'cause I'm next. I'm sorry if I'm too witty and a screw loose, so try to fix something to do with me as I cruise the beat with fluency of what's true to be. And truthfully, I miss the way that it used to be. You say you gifted. I'm actually so nervous right now about starting it. We'll see what happens. Gas in it now. That don't sound good. Car's shaking. I don't think. I smelled the catless downpipes on this car. All this means is we have way more work to do, and this car is far gone. Let's try it again. All right, so at least now we know it's cylinder 6 misfire. Alright, so basically what just happened is the car is running on 5 cylinders, so that's not good, but it's a misfire. Most N54s have the notorious 6-cylinder misfire, so this one is not excluded.
12 seconds later.
N54s stink. I didn't want to get it dirty. Just got these two. What is this, bro? Oh my goodness. Bro, that is bad. I don't even think I can put this on YouTube. Alright, well, we already found drugs in the car. That's cool.